Warm greetings from the TSPROF office. I am Nick, and today is a very special day because today we're gonna draw up the results of our Sharpening Stories giveaway, which took place from the March to the end of May. So now is the time when we're gonna find out who will get our fantastic prizes. All you needed to do was to write us a short story about yourself, your knives or knife sharpening. Send us your photo and your social media link. During this giveaway, we received 17 inspiring, touching and very funny stories from you guys, and we appreciate all of them. So we want to thank each of you for sharing your passion for knives with us. We really enjoyed reading them. And we also hope that you, Toby, are doing well after we published your story and your wife didn't kill you after reading this. Well, let me remind you about the prizes. Overall, we have 10 prizes and 17 participants, so the chances are pretty high. So here we have 7 certificates in the amount of $100. For the third place, Blitz Complete. For the second place, Cut It Narrow. And the first place gets our flagship K03 Pro. Let me introduce you my colleague Yana. Now she will choose all 10 lucky ones with the help of a number randomizer. Each participant has its own number depending on when his story was published. So, Yana, let's click the button. Here we have the people who will get certificates and other prizes. Our congratulations. So, let's start with the very end. The ones who will get certificates. Number 12, Mitchell Ritter. Number 7, Adam Reddick. Number 14, Dennis Halcomb. Number 8, Oscar Atkins. Number 11, Ward Leroy. Number 15, Nick Rees. Number 9, Lars Kirkby. So, and here we come to the final prizes. So let's start with the third place. Number 13, Patrick Gerst. Our congratulations, you get Blitz Complete. Second place, number 10, Peter Martin. Our congratulations, you get Cut It Narrow. And the first place, number 1, Near Sharon. Our congratulations, you'll get our flagship K03 Pro for free. Congratulations once again. We will contact the winners by email and send them their prizes, so stay in touch. We really hope that it will be an inspiration and a powerful tool in your knife adventures. So guys, once again, thank you all for your participation and your time. It was super funny and nice. Well, if you don't get prizes this time, don't get upset, because there are so many giveaways to come ahead. Participate next time. So that's it for today. Thank you once again. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to be aware of our news. See you soon. Take care and stay sharp.